What's going on, guys? Budget sprayers part 2. Can we get a good finish? We're going to see on this panelled wall, and we're going to see if we can get a perfect finish for under £200. So if you want to see how I've got on today spraying these panelled walls, stay around till the end and see what I think about the machine. Smash the like, hit subscribe, all those things really help the channel grow. I'm using the original gun. I am using a Graco 410 fine finish low pressure tip, purely because the one in the box came with the 517 and that's a bit too much for what I want to be doing. So on the box, let's say 600 watt, 3 meter cord, 200 bar, 9 meter hose, which is all right. It's a 1/4 bore, so standard size, it's not the flexible one. A few spanners and things, gun, 517 tip, and I tell you what, I could lift it up with my little finger, it's so light. On there we've got spray, down is prime. We've actually got a ball release, which is handy, pressure dial, no gauge. There's the gun. 517, it's got a trigger lock, it's not too bad. I have put a Graco tip on there because it only came with a 517. Now I've changed it out for a Graco fine finish low pressure 410, and honestly I'm pretty surprised at how nice it's spraying already. Normally I'd be adding an extension just so I can reach the high spots, but obviously the majority of you guys won't have extensions or clean shot valves, so I'm going to try and keep it as basic as possible so you can get a good idea of the finish you can get near enough out of the box. Got my little step, so I'm going to probably do it in two stages. I'm probably going to go ground to that rail, up and down, and then I'm going to go on the step.
Pretty nice. Oh.
I'm going to be using durable matte as a finish. Let's see how we go.
Three, 4, 5,
'Enough is enough.
Right, struggling with a lot of blockages there, so I've gone up to a 514. Flipping hell, how good's that? So let's go on to this. So 514, working well, better than the 410. Loads of paint left. What a finish, what a pump. Flipping heck, I'll tell you what, smash that out in no time. That is as good as any other sprayer that you could use. It's all down to the tip. The sprayer is just a pump to pump the paint. If it's thin enough, it's going to pump it. If you've got the right tip, if it's filtered, you're not going to have any issues. But I just wanted to show you guys the type of finish that you can achieve on the budget end. I tell you what, that is well worth having, even as a backup. I've sprayed mist coats and top coats on the walls with emulsion so far. Yes, it struggled a little bit with long extensions, but what else can you expect? It's a little pump, but using it with everything that it's come within the box, it absolutely smokes it. It's a real good little piece of kit. So I'll just show you this. So again, how does the budget end compare? Well, it pumps. Buy some tips because the guards are interchangeable. So just pick up a graco tip if you want to go graco, pick up a tritech, wagner, whatever. Use the guard with each tip and you're away. You know, probably don't expect to be smashing out masonry or thicker paints. It's gonna be slower. You might see a bit of pulsing, but woodwork, I can't see it being an issue. Spraying ins a bin, spraying your primers, spraying stains will be dead easy. Spraying mist coats, it's smashed. You know, for under 200 quid, if your sprayer's down and you need it on a weekend, go and pick it up. Final thoughts, is it worth it and you're wanting to get into it? Yes, don't expect the best, but it works. I've showed it works. You know, you do have to adapt to that machine, but it's still got the finish and it still had the productivity. I'm really surprised, to be honest. I thought it were going to be a bit more pulsy. I didn't think it were going to run as smooth. And the only issues that I had were down to myself. I didn't filter the paint. It hasn't got a manifold filter, but if you'd have filtered it, you wouldn't have had those issues. All in all, yes, it's worth it. Smash the like, hit subscribe. All those things really help the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one.